Okay, just to make it easier to see the shapes that I'm drawing for my narwhal, I'm going to start off with a blue colored pencil. For these are the shapes that you would want to sketch lightly with a pencil, but if I sketch lightly it doesn't show up on camera. So start off with a big circle, and then basically it is like a curved triangle coming out from that circle. And I think of the tail almost like a heart shape going into that. The fins would be just like a little rounded triangle. Or like a U shape. Might give it a horn up at the top here. It's basically just a triangle, but curved at the bottom. Curved lines on there. And then from there I'm going to give it a nice cartoony sort of face. So I might give it big cartoony eyes. Now everything I'm going to go over with Sharpie is the stuff that I would want to keep for my drawing. Now, of course, the remaining blue lines are the lines that would be erased. That's why they should be sketched lightly with pencil first. And after that, it's just a matter of coloring it in.